Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to make a rustic basket or a storage box with this Ikea box or any other box you have. So let's do it. So I'm taking a sponge and I'm going to paint the box white. You can use any cardboard box guys, and because I had this one I used this one. I'm just going to spread some paint on the sponge brush and just randomly apply the paint on the box. I don't want it to be very neat and tidy. So this is how it looks. Honestly speaking, I've even used my painting brush just to spread the paint across, and you can do that as well. So here are the jute threads that I have. I love working with these guys. These are beautiful colors, and they all will give a rustic look, but still, which one suits the best? Let me know in the comment section which one would suit the best. Well, I think yeah, even this one with the lace, it also looks nice. So I guess I'll go with this one. I want a proper rustic look, and that's why you see the way I've painted is also, we don't want to cover it like completely white. There should be some patches because that's what will give a rustic look to the box. Now I'm applying the Fevicol glue, and we're just going to stick the lace over it. It's time to apply the lace. This is how it looks after applying the lace, but still I feel it's like a little incomplete, so I'm going to use the jute thread, and just wrap it around to make a bow. Guys, I got to tell you, this box is really sturdy because it's made for crockery, for holding crockery. So that's why we can place our books, magazines in this, and it will give a very nice look. Here, it's ready. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.